अनंत टिप्या रिफ्रेश व्हा।
सगळ्यांक देव बरो दीस दिवं। आता हांव बेळगांवच्या एक नामनेचे शोरूम जे आसा सगळे गोंयकारांच्या पसंतीचे ते BSC मॉला भितर आसा आणि एक श्रावण म्हयन्याची जे श्रावणोत्सव जातलो हांगा किंवा श्रावण म्हयन्याचे सण सुरू येतले त्या खातीर आमच्या BSC मॉलाच्या संचालकांनी एक स्पेशल ऑफर दवरलेली आसा। आमच्या सांगात आसात BU चंद्रशेखर, मृणाल आणि विवेक हे 3 संचालक आसात। तर त्या स्कीम बद्दल ते जे एक 20% डिस्काउंट जो त्यांनी सुरू केला ताच्या खातीर एक माहिती ताच्याबद्दल माहिती दितले आमचे BU चंद्रशेखर। थँक्यू।
Hello everyone. So this is double discount offer from BSC and it also is called as a Shravan Sambrama. The speciality of our double discount and Shravan Sambrama is the discount what we are offering is on the fresh stock. So normally in the market everyone offers discount on clearance sales, that is which is there on the last season or old stock. The clearance sales they offer a discount, but the speciality of BSC double discount is we are giving double discount. That is normally throughout the year we give 10% discount on MRPs. In this double discount period we give additional 10%, means 10% plus 10%. This double discount on fresh stock and new arrivals. This is the speciality of BSC double discount. So this is a genuine discount for the customer who can get the genuine benefit for this upcoming festivals in Shravan Mas.
So this year we are launching double discount in BSC Belgavi. It starts from August 6th, Sunday. So the speciality of double discount is BSC, as you all know, we offer 10% discount throughout the year. So during double discount, we offer the 10% plus a special discount of 10% to all our customers. And we are doing this during the Shravan Masa, that is starting from August 6th, this Sunday. So we request all the Goans to please come and make use of this period, because it is not a clearance sale where it is on the remaining stock. This double discount is on the fresh stock which is newly arrived. So this is something that all of you will enjoy. You will love the product, and you yourself will tell your neighbors and your friends that BSC mein we had gone, we got this, please come and see it. So we would heartily welcome all of you to please come and experience double discount at BSC Belgavi.
आमचे दिवसभरातले सर्व अपडेट्स, ताज्या घडामोडी आणि थेट लाईव्ह पाहण्यासाठी सबस्क्राइब करा, लाईक करा कोकणचं नंबर 1 महा चॅनल कोकणसाद लाईव्हचं YouTube चॅनल।